Hello! So this is a video so that you can practice the first song in your recorder packet, which is Duet for Recorder and Piano. Duet for Piano and Recorder, number 1. The word duet means a song that has two parts. So there's one part for the piano and there's one part for the recorder. So I'm going to play them both at the same time so you know what it sounds like. Okay. All right, so before we play the song, let's review what the two notes are. So the two notes in the songs are B and A. We learned both of these last week in class. Okay, so once again, your left hand goes on top. B and A use only your left hand. Your right hand can just hold on to the bottom somewhere for balance, as long as you don't accidentally cover a different hole. Your thumb covers the thumb hole on the back. Your pointer finger covers the first hole. This is B. To play the note A, you finger a B, leave everything where it is, and then you just add your middle finger to the second hole. Okay, so B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Okay, so now we're going to go over the rhythms now that we know the two notes. Okay, so here is our music. Each box is called a measure. First measure, we have the note B that gets 4 beats. Second measure, we have the note A that gets 4 beats. So let's try that. I'll play it and then you play it back, okay? Your turn. 1, 2, ready, go. B, we move on to the third measure. These notes are called quarter notes. They get 1 beat each. So we have B, 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 and then an A that we hold out for 4 beats. I'll play it, then you. Okay, your turn. 1, 2, ready, go. B, 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 A. Okay. Now we're moving on to the 5th and 6th measures. So now we're on the second line. Once again, we have 4 quarter notes playing the note B, 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 followed by 4 quarter notes playing the note A, 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 A. Let's try that. My turn first. Your turn. B, 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 A, 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 A. Now, this is another thing we learned about last week. The last 2 measures, we have a B whole note that gets 4 beats. We have another B whole note that gets 4 beats. They're attached by this thing that is called a tie. That means we add 4 plus 4. And you have a B that you're holding out for a total of 8 beats. Let's try that. Okay, so my turn first. Your turn. 1, 2, ready, go. B. Okay, so now I would like all of you just to do the fingering, okay? So recorders out of your mouths, and we're just gonna do the fingering. I'll sing the notes along. Here we go. 1, 2, fingers only. B, A, B, 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 A, B, 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 A, get to the end, there's also a repeat sign. So what the repeat sign means is you just go back to the beginning and do the whole thing again. So we're going to start at the beginning, but this time we're going to start over again when we get to the repeat sign. So we're going to be playing it twice. Let's try that. Fingers only. 1, 2, ready, go. B, A, B, 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 A, B, 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 A, A, B. Go back to the beginning. B, A, B, 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 A, B, 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 A, B. And now this song is over. Okay, so now it is your turn to play it. So I'm going to play the piano part and you get to play the recorder part. Please wait till I count you in because we both need to start at the same time for the two parts to make sense together. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Go back to the beginning. Okay, we're gonna try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Go back to the beginning. We'll do it one more time. This time I'm not going to remind you to go back to the beginning. So make sure you count those 8 beats and then go back to the beginning on your own. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, so the last step is you need to give this song a title. So Duet for Piano and Recorder #1 is a pretty boring title. So I want you to think about the mood that this song creates or the emotions you feel when you hear it and give this song a new title. You could also imagine that maybe this song is in a movie, like what would be going on in the movie? You could think about that when you give it a title. So just be creative, pretend like you wrote it, and if you wrote this song, what title would you give it? So have fun practicing, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.